Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the Chianti area in Tuscany, renowned for its green, captivating hills and of course for its wine production. We're going to tour together what in the past was a 12th century castle, dominating all of the surrounding hills. Then, at the beginning of the 1600s, it's been demolished and all of the stones were used to build 4 lovely country homes that today enjoy this fantastic view all around. Are you ready to see them? Come with me. Let's start by talking about the external space of the property. The homes are currently surrounded by about 24 hectares of land, 1.2 of which are used for a lovely hobby vineyard, which is currently taken care of by a third party for the maintenance and the harvesting. The rest of the land is dedicated to woodland and arable land. The gardens of the property are about 5,000 square meters and they are enclosed by these beautiful stone terraces, aromatic plants, and in the property we can also find 2 swimming pools. The first one on my right, it is 12 by 6 meters and it's overlooking this fantastic view. On the other side we find a smaller one which is 6 by 4 meters and it's dedicated to one of the homes. The Hamlet is currently used by the owner as an accommodation business. It could be easily turned into a private home by using the main house as the owner's accommodation and the other guest homes for guests or for rentals. Talking about the vineyard, as I mentioned earlier, it is currently rented to a third party, but a good idea could also be to produce your own wine and to use one of the guest homes as a wine cellar. The property has 4 separate buildings and they've been optimized for rentals. Right behind me you see the first one, which is the smallest one, and in the past it was the chapel of the castle. Today we have on the ground level a kitchen, living area and sitting room, whilst on the first floor we find a bedroom. The second building I would like to show you is right in front of the chapel. It is laid on 2 levels with an apartment on each level. And it has a living area, built-in kitchen, and each apartment has its own bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Before showing you the larger country home of the Hamlet, let me talk to you about the third unit right behind me. It is right beside the one we've just seen and it's laid on 2 levels, each one with its own apartment. Have a look. And finally, we see the main home. This is 279 square meters with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. It is the largest home and it would be perfect to be turned into the owner's accommodation. At the moment, the ground floor can be used either as one large apartment, or it is set up as well to be divided into two smaller units. Let me show you. As you walk inside, you straight away get into the main living space. It is connecting the dining area, sitting area, and right behind me, the kitchen. You can notice these wooden beams that have been painted to give more of a modern touch. And then up these steps, we get on the right to a bathroom. Right in front of me, we see the first large bedroom. And on this other side, we get to the second bedroom. Right here, you can notice how by closing this door, you see the two units I was telling you about that are now split. In fact, this one has the bedroom, bathroom, and over here we have the kitchen with living space and independent access. Or by opening the door, it becomes one single unit. As we get to the first floor of the country house, you notice how there are two units. The first one on my right has two bedrooms and large spaces, whilst the second one over here through the other door is smaller, very cute, with these high ceilings where you can actually see the wooden beams and the terracotta. And over here we have two bathrooms. One is for the common spaces through this door, and the second one is for the bedroom. Let's have a look. This property is nestled on a dreamlike position with fantastic views anywhere you look. It is perfect for someone looking for a wonderful Tuscan country home with some guest houses perfect for rentals or for guests. Or simply for someone that is looking for a great investment opportunity in one of the most desired Tuscan locations. I hope you liked this property. And I would like also to remind you to subscribe to the Romolini channel for new exciting videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.